Assalamu alaikum. It's once again Dania Ansari, and I am so passionate about helping others unlock the full potential of LinkedIn. Did you know that a well optimized LinkedIn profile can be the difference between getting noticed and getting lost in the digital crowd? So, first, let's talk about the LinkedIn optimization. That's one of the services that Eco Impact offers. It's not just about filling in the blanks, it's about crafting a compelling story. It's like when you're storytelling, you know what I mean? That showcases your expertise, value, skills that you give to others, that you can actually provide to others company. So first let's dive into your profile picture. Your profile picture, actually my profile picture is not that good. Don't take it as an example. So first, if it's about your profile picture, so what, how it should like, it should look like that you are the best fit for the position. Instead of simply starting uh, instead of just simply putting anything, any of your selfies in your profile picture, keep it very very professional. Stand on the stage, take a mic, don't even take a mic, stand on a stage, get dressed up, take a picture and then post it on profile picture. It should be clear, background should be clear, and your face should be clear. And if you do nakab like me, so it's up to you how you want your profile picture to look like. Then what you can do is edit the title. Here you can log the branding lead at the rate. So this is basically what premium recommends you to stand out of all the CVs that have applied for that particular position. So, your summary or your about is the chance to tell your professional story, highlight your key skills and the experiences and what sets you apart. Remember, people scan, so keep it concise and engaging. In my about, I have written our team at Pakistani Women in Computing has been making strides in brand development since I joined as branding lead. So it's definitely promoting Pivek, but also telling that I am the branding lead. That's why it is striding, it is making impact. Currently pursuing a degree, so then straight about your degree and I apply an analytical as to engagement strategies. So it's not up, definitely in today's era I'm not asking you to write it all yourself, because if you are writing it yourself you maybe can do some like mistakes, the grammatical mistakes, or so keep it professional and use some good, very good AI tool to analyze your LinkedIn and then generate a about a summary about you. Next thing what I recommend is uh, edit your skills. Whatever you think you are good at, you are expert at, put that in your um, skill sets. Also contribute to articles. When you will go to your home page, contribute to articles that adds to your credibility as well. Featured picture, I have put in a featured picture but it's not a must to put it. So yeah, take it easy. Then we have post, keep posting, don't post every day because LinkedIn is definitely not a social media for you. So but keep it precise, concise, still post regularly, like once in a 5 days or once in a week. Post about it. Open your LinkedIn every day, like, comment, and explore different features, the IDs that can help you reach the milestone that you have in your mind. So yeah, so for today I guess in this video that's pretty much all about what I wanted to uh, put it in. So you can ask me more suggestions and ask me more about it in the comment sections below. Also, you can DM us on at the rate Eco Impact, ECHOEMPACT, on your Instagrams. One thing that I have missed out, but I want to mention is if you open your LinkedIn on a web, so you can see on right side in the very upper header lines you can find public profile and URL. So edit your profile URL. If you'll see that most of people don't edit their URLs, so in their URL there are numbers that's hard to remember. Keep it same for all the social medias. For me it's Dania the Ansari, and you can find me on all the social medias with the same name, so that's easy to remember, and also not very difficult. If someone have seen your LinkedIn once, they can open it even without looking at the URL next time. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for listening to me that long. Allah Hafiz.